Hey you guys, so I weighed myself yesterday and that's when you saw the clip. I am down 6 pounds in 10 days. I started on the 5th and yeah, I weighed myself yesterday on Wednesday the 15th. So I'm pretty happy about that. Like I can't even be mad. So I worked out a lot. I mean, last week I probably did like 3 workouts and my body was like really feeling it. So, and they were like really beginner gentle workouts. So for today's workout, it's gonna be a little bit more challenging. I don't know if it'll focus, but this one's focusing on glutes, legs, lower body, stability, and balance. If you guys don't know, this is a Nike training app. It's what I use to work out at home. So we're gonna do that today. It's 20 minutes. Most of the workouts I was doing last week were 15 minutes at a beginner level, and this is at a moderate level. So we will see how I do. I just wanted to check in, let you guys know that motivated. I'm feeling so good, you guys. Like I was suffering last week a little, like a couple of days on the keto flu. I was just like not having it. I was just mad about everything. But yeah, I'm really feeling like happy and positive, and I feel like I got it under control, and it's been like a struggle to push myself to want to eat. The fat's been keeping me so sustained and fulfilled, and yeah, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and start this workout.
You had a boyfriend, looked like a girlfriend. I had in February last year. Unconfidential, I got potential. Rushing around, now somebody told me you had a boyfriend, looked like a girlfriend. I had in February last year. Unconfidential, I got potential.
I just got home from Tesco and I got a whole bunch of like specialty items. This isn't items that we use every day, but it's like really good things to have around the house when you're feeling some kind of way. So I'll just pull them out and we'll start. So I picked up this Choco Logic no sugar added Belgian milk chocolate. Now, I had this a couple of days ago and this is like Hershey's. It tastes exactly like Hershey's. It has 4.5 grams of carbs per like strip like this of chocolate. Now it's a lot, huh? When I first tried it, I only got one and that lasted me like 3 days. And then I'm sending some to my friend, so like those are hers. So basically I only got 3. Okay, not so bad. Next thing I bought was the shredded mozzarella and cheddar. I am going to make keto pizza after we are done with this, so I'm super excited. I am really hungry. So some shredded mozzarella for the base of our pizza. Next, I got some more blue cheese because I am obsessed. I got some watermelon for Mariah. I picked up this Whole Earth Smooth peanut butter. Absolutely no added sugar, which is great. So this is good for Mariah to dip into apples, or sometimes if I just want like a spoonful of peanut butter. This has 9.2 grams of carbs per 100 ounces. So that's probably like a lot. That's probably like a cup or so of peanut butter, and I'm just getting like a spoonful when I feel like it. So really good snack item to have in the house for the whole family. Next, I picked up some macadamia nuts. I love macadamia nuts. The bad thing is they're just so expensive. They're expensive absolutely everywhere. These have, let's see, 6 grams of carbs per 100 grams, and this bag is $2.50. So like a good handful you can have and still stay under your carb limit. Next, I picked up some olives. If you guys didn't know, you can have halkidiki or garlic stuffed olives on the keto diet. So these are just the halkidiki stuffed with garlic. Mariah eats these so well. And yeah, the carbohydrates, sorry it's not focusing, but it says 0.3 per 100 grams and 0.1 for a quarter of the pack. So there is, you know, that's basically 0 carbs. So I picked up the mixed olives with mature cheddar as well. Tesco is so good for all these like anti-pasta varieties. So there's those two. Picked up some raspberries for me. I think we are watching some movies tonight. So these with whipped cream have my name all over them. And I picked up some blueberries for CJ as well. Here is the pepperoni we are going to use for the pizza. You guys, I am so hungry. All I ate today was 2 pieces of bacon and 2 fried eggs, and that was at like 9 in the morning, and we're going on 6 o'clock. So here is the pepperoni. And then for sauce, which is the absolute trick for the keto pizza, I picked up this no added sugar chunky veg pasta sauce. Now, the key is to find the lowest carb count you can. So this has 6.8 carbs per a quarter of the jar. So we'll see exactly how much I need to use. Probably at least half or at least the entire jar. So just get the lowest one that you can, do the best that you can. This one specifically says no added sugar, and then I went with chunky because it's a little bit thicker. So that's what I picked up from Tesco. So many yummy things. I'm gonna open the olives. I'm gonna open these mature cheddar olives right now while I make the pizza. It's a little bit of a process. What I'm gonna do is combine the shredded cheddar with some eggs, kind of get it thick, lay it down on a cookie sheet, season it, pop it in the oven, and we'll kind of get a crust going. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on that. And they're yummy, huh? Ooh. Good save. These are amazing, you guys. So good. Okay, you guys, so that looks a little, sorry, Mariah's playing with the doorbell. That looks a little wet to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some dried Parmesan until I get it to the consistency that I want, which is just a little bit thicker. guys, here's a little progress check on the crust. Be careful, Aya. It's browning on this side. I'm gonna rotate it. So far it's been in there for about 6 minutes. Okay, you guys, so I left the crust in there until golden, and this is what it looks like right now. I am so happy with it. I probably kept it in there for maybe 15 minutes, but just really keep an eye on it, you guys. I'm telling you, you don't want it to get too black. This is absolutely perfect for us. Hey you guys, so it's a couple days later now and I'm just preparing my lunch, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm eating. So it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't really started fasting on this round of keto yet. When I did keto last year, I got really into fasting and I really saw it to be like super beneficial, and it was really efficient in helping towards my weight loss. Like I feel like fasting just really did something to me. It was energizing, and you would just seem like, you would think that it would kind of be draining, but it wasn't. But I'm kind of getting into it again on this time around. Like I said, it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just going to make a salad. So I have crispy lettuce and I have bacon on the stove, and what I'm gonna do is get some feta and some olives, and I'm gonna put it all in here and it should be pretty good. Hey you guys, so I jumped on the scale this morning for my 3rd week weigh-in and there was no change on the scale. So this week I did not lose any weight, and honestly I am pretty bummed, but I don't think I did the best this week to begin with, just because like I think I worked out like only once, and then just for my carbs, since we're going away this weekend, I kind of bought a lot of stuff and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I've been kind of like loading up our plates. And yeah, I did not lose any weight this week, and that's okay, and I'm gonna keep going, but it is a little disappointing. Like, it's disappointing for sure. Like, you're eating healthy, you're restricting yourself, and there's no change on the scale, but it happens. We're just gonna keep digging our heels in and fighting through it. I think next week I'm gonna tackle this really hard, maybe start fasting a little bit. Not eating chocolate and fruit for dessert every single night. I just need to really decrease what I am eating, I think, and drink more water this week. I've been really slacking on water and drinking coffee like all day long, so this happens, you guys. Sometimes we will not lose weight and the scale will not budge. So I'm just gonna adjust my approach to keto and we'll see how it goes for next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you are out there doing keto and kicking ass and taking names, let me know your story down below. Let me know how much you've lost this week or how much you've lost in like the past month or your journey on keto. I really need the motivation, you guys. Trying to stay strong for all of us, but yeah, it does suck to not see the scale go down. But I will talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.